Are you ready to sell without the stress of ending up homeless? I have cracked the code on selling your house and securing your dream home at the same time, even in this tight market that we're in right now. Let me share a little secret sauce for you that ensures that you can stay in your home post-closing until your new home is ready. No compromises, no rush decisions, just a smooth transaction to your next chapter. I have got good news. There are so many solutions for selling your home and finding a replacement home that even with the limited inventory here in Harris and Montgomery County, I've got you covered. I've helped countless of sellers just like you navigate through this and so many other obstacles and issues. And the good news is that there are contingencies on your behalf that we can put into place for you and to protect you from this. We can sell your home to a buyer contingent upon you getting to stay in your home after closing until your new home is secured and ready for you to move. So this way we can secure a buyer and you don't have to be homeless until you find your next home. Isn't it awesome? It actually really is, and it's great because there is so much less stress this way, and you won't feel like you've got to just choose a home that you don't absolutely love. And the offer that you make on your next home will look a lot stronger because you're already in escrow on your sale. The point is that I've got solutions. We've just got to think outside the box. I wouldn't want you to do anything that I wouldn't do, and thankfully I've got years of experience, so I know what to do and what not to do. And if I can take one more worry off your plate, I will, because there are so many things to consider, questions to ask, problems to solve and avoid. So leave it up to me. I'll help cover all your bases and protect your most valuable asset. Give me a call or send me a message if you're just curious or want to strategize scenarios. I am happy to help, and I look forward to being part of this with you.